Welcome to our channel exploring the fascinating world of physics. Physics is the study of matter and energy. It helps us understand the laws that govern the universe. From the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, physics covers it all. This science delves into the fundamental forces shaping our world. Through experiments and observations, physicists unlock the mysteries of the cosmos. Isaac Newton is considered the father of classical physics. His laws of motion and gravity revolutionized our understanding of the physical world. Another key figure is Albert Einstein, known for his theory of relativity. Einstein's work transformed our understanding of space and time. Quantum physics explores the behavior of matter at the smallest scales. It challenges our intuition and opens up new possibilities in technology. The study of thermodynamics focuses on heat, energy, and the laws of conservation. It explains how energy flows within systems and how work is performed. Understanding physics can lead to groundbreaking inventions like the light bulb or the smartphone. It also plays a crucial role in developing technology for space exploration and medical imaging. This field continues to evolve, with new discoveries pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. Join us on this journey through the wonders of physics. Thank you for watching and stay curious.